SAT and ACT, navigating the refund process. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the important topic of requesting a refund for your SAT and ACT tests. We all know plans can change, and sometimes you might need to consider getting a refund for your test fee. Let's walk through this process step by step. If you've registered for the SAT or ACT but later decide not to take the test for any reason, maybe you feel unprepared, or an unforeseen event pops up, you might be thinking of getting a refund. It's essential to understand when and how you can request one. Timing is crucial when it comes to requesting refunds. Both the SAT and ACT have specific deadlines by which you must request a refund. Missing this window often means that you won't get your money back. Always check the test's official website for exact dates. For both tests, certain circumstances may warrant a full refund, while others might only give you a partial refund. For example, canceling your test registration before the cancellation deadline may allow you to receive a partial refund. If the testing center cancels the test and doesn't offer a makeup date, you might be eligible for a full refund. Here's a brief guide on how to go about it. 1. Log into your account on the SAT or ACT website. 2. Navigate to your current test registrations. 3. Find the Request a Refund option. 4. Follow the instructions provided. It might involve filling out some forms or providing specific details. 5. Wait for the confirmation of your refund request. Usually, there's an acknowledgement sent to your registered email. Once you've successfully requested a refund, it doesn't mean the money will instantly appear in your account. Processing times vary, but generally, it can take several weeks. Always check your bank or credit card statement and contact the testing service if there's a delay beyond their stated processing time. We hope this guide clarifies the refund process for the SAT and ACT. Remember, the key is to be proactive and aware of all deadlines and requirements. Good luck with your test preparation, and we're here to support you every step of the way.